Hey y'all, it's Nerdy Girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned for this really quick haul. Y'all already know my strong and soft 2-ply. You know I'm a faithful fan for rolls. Now, I will say though, I have changed the napkins. I do love my napkins, but I'm sorry, these are a lot better. These are from Target, paper towels. They're by Smartly, 2 rolls, and it's $139. So in comparison to $125, even though I'm technically paying a little tad bit more, I get 2 rolls. Come on. So sorry, Dollar Tree, but I've had to nix your paper towels for the time being. But we'll see in the wintertime, nonetheless. Target, Dollar Tree, moving on. Now, I will say that I do enjoy their sodas, and technically I don't need a huge one, and I really do enjoy their ginger ale. So this is 1.25 liters. It's always great to have some ginger ale in stock just in case for upset stomachs. Also, their LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe in fresh apple scented, 30 fluid ounces. This is my go-to, so picked up a bottle. And yes, their healthy choice. I do love their healthy choice. It is $1.25, but it's chicken noodle, 13 grams of protein. Not bad for $1.25 in comparison to a lot of other big store supermarkets, chains, and whatnot. Now, also, they do have a great assortment of toothbrushes, and I came across this AIM. As you can see, extra soft. The bristles are for sensitive gums. Massage Pro, you can buy two in a pack, and they come in a variety. I think they also have Colgate, but I opted for this one. It just looked a little easier on the teeth and gums, so picked up at least this pack too. Also, I do enjoy their hair assortment. I guess it's kind of like in between, and my local branch is between like the cleaning products and their fashion accessory lines and whatnot. They have combs and their brushes, and I have fallen in love with this satiny kind of like, hair tie. And you have the option of a scrunchie and this nice, beautiful ribbon. So I have a dress that kind of looks like this, so I thought this would go perfect if I adorn it in my hair. So yeah, with $1.25, you can't go wrong. Also, I love their snacks, and especially their Twizzlers. You can't go wrong. It's only 90 calories, and in comparison to their other snacks, it's more on the low-fat side. And this, as you can see, is strawberry. So I picked up a pack. Speaking of their cleaning products, this I've been meaning to get. I think I've mentioned before, and I really have to do this video. I know I keep saying it, but testing out the items or letting you guys know if it's really worth the $1.25. This is really, this coating to pick up dirt and debris is really great. It really does kind of like, grab onto the dirt. It's really great. And so this one comes already attached, as you can see, and then you buy the bar separate from their essentials line. Let me see if we can have a clearer of the tag. It's from Essentials. This is their wet and dry flat mop head. So I haven't tried it wet, but I have tried it dry, and it really does pick up the dirt. So if you come across this at your local branch, snag it. Now lastly, this is an indication that yes, we are back with school supplies at Dollar Tree, and I couldn't resist these nice, really fluorescent shelves. I've been meaning to get more organized and put my paperwork in order, and I believe you can stack these particular ones just to file things. Also came across their storage container. I'm sure that, yeah, this is great for sorting and crafts and whatnot, I think, and it has a nice pretty little like handle, so you can keep it nice and locked. Cinches really nicely. I don't know, I might put like makeup brushes in here, or I might put like sponges or whatnot, just to keep my beauty routine and care a little bit more organized. And I heard great things. Like I think her screen name online is Essentials or something. I will link it down below. I can't think of her exact name, but she also does Dollar Tree hauls, and she has recommended the Jot electric pencil sharpener. Now, I've mentioned before Jot. I have my issues with Jot, so I'm going to try this. It's electrical, so you need like 3 AAA batteries, but it's supposed to sharpen really well. So I opted for a nice pretty pink color. I will let you guys know if it is really worth the $1.25. I've had issues with the pegboards, but that's just me. Perhaps it's just the humidity in my home. So, but I will keep you guys posted. Nonetheless, that is my quick Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you see anything here you like, leave us a comment down below. Give us a like, give us a share, and if you like my videos, would like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, DIY, and my next TV movie review. Until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.